This way to Madre de Dios. So guys, we are on our way to Madre de Dios. Kung Amega nga nag-drive.
Muta namin guys, when you travel guys, be sure to relate with the locals.
Yeah.
Relate with the locals, talk with the locals, eat with the locals.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
That's the advantage of asking people the right way. Asa ka padong, asa ni padong ni lugar ay ano mga puti makaibang mga nakay. Mo-reply ba yan mga tao? Mga pananaw, mga viewers, diba? Yan, anong puti makaibang alaw mag-vlogs guys.
Mga kang Amega guys, bago pa na siya nabayot guys. Bago pa na vlog guys.
Karoon pa guys.
Karoon siya naka-realize guys.
Natumboy ko guys.
Welcome to Madre de Dios.
Hi guys! We are now here in Madre de Dios. And as of now, naami karon sa akong Amega, sa gitawag na to Madre de Dios Kota Park. So musod ta nga to guys. So Madre de Dios Kota Park, musod ta dito. 30 minutes ride from Bantayan via motor. Hinay mong gold akong padagan guys. So cheers Madre de Dios. They call it of the Philippines. Little Alaska of the Philippines daw. So unsa man naka Little Alaska ni? Let's tour around this park. An ordinance declaring the old Spanish fort and Kota Park in the municipality of Madre de Dios, province of Cebu as heritage site. Old Kota Fort, built in 1790s by first settler Gabriel Lazaro Mangubat, founder of Lawis government, served as watchtower and refuge of the local inhabitants each time Moro pirates attack and plundered towns along sea coast. The fort is made of corals, stones, sand, egg white, sugar, and limestone. Or limestone, or that is called apo. So mo ni gitawag na tog Kota Park guys, kaya mo na ilang kuan, mo na ilang fortress. Pero sira karon. Ari lang ta sa gawas. Mo ni sa sud. Sa gawas. Okay. Mo na ilang gawas. Mo na entrance sa ilang Kota Park, sa ilang kota. Then adto sa unahan na ang beach. Actually, naka-arin ako, naka-stay ko diha nga cottage. Naka-arin ako before. Kuy akong usa ka Amega sad. Wag ta ako Amega ba ako pagita asa ka ni Sharon. Daghan ng inhas guys.